We're here today for the launch of the Cardiff Cancer Research Partnership, a partnership between Velindre University NHS Trust, Cardiff and Vale University Health Board and Cardiff University, an academic MHS partnership that is going to enable us to bring new discoveries through from the laboratory into the clinic for patient benefit, and that is going to enable us to provide more opportunities for patients from across South East Wales, South Wales and maybe the whole of Wales to take part in new and novel clinical research.
Now, the Cardiff Cancer Research Partnership has been a fantastic collaboration between our three organisations. And this is actually using the expertise, the talents, the skills that we have in all our organisations and the infrastructure and resources to trial new medication, new therapies to treat patients in the future. And what this has demonstrated is that there is a revolution in healthcare coming with advanced therapies. There is ways that we can treat things that we could never treat before. And what we're allowing Welsh patients to do is have access to these and take this forward in the future when these will become more prevalent in more disease conditions than just cancer. So it's a fantastic initiative which we're all fully behind.
It's so exciting to finally be able to launch the Cardiff University Cancer Strategy, and to do that in the context of also launching the Cardiff Cancer Research Partnership. I think this is the start of a new era going forward, and from my Cardiff University perspective, I'm really excited about having discovery science be at the heart of those endeavours.